morning, crusty crew. So today we're going to the rainforest to basically take a hike. This is the outfit for today. Yeah, everybody's getting ready right now, and then we headed to the rainforest for a hike. So I'm gonna show y'all, bring y'all along. I look real cute today. I'll see y'all in a little bit.
Check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
And then I'm gonna give you my 10-minute version of my life story. Everybody excited for the water slide?
Yeah.
It's a lot of fun. It's really
I'm actually nervous, but alright. I can't swim.
Life jacket. I've got life jackets in the back of the van.
Yes.
Absolutely.
We are here.
We finally arrived.
I gotta take my lashes off, y'all.
You need a life jacket.
Because I don't want them to get lost, and this is my only pair.
Yeah, they're gonna be in the back.
Oh.
There's a couple underneath.
Oh. You could dip some water.
Okay, there's a water slide.
Welcome to Deja YouTube.
I'm not gonna bring the cooler, I just
I'm
leave it
drunk.
there. So,
Deja was asleep, and now she's eating a Reese.
I'm gonna put this back.
but you can put it in the cooler if you want.
Yeah.
Alright.
All the islands that the landmass separated, these all chance activities, so nothing here was ever attached to any of the other parts of the, like North America, South America, Central America, Europe, or Africa. So it's all, we didn't swim here or fly here unless we brought it here. It's not made of
Okay. Our little tiptoes down the hill.
Did you hear him? It's a little slippery.
Okay. I got on the wrong shoes. Look at my shoes, y'all. I wish our rocks was like this.
You got this, don't worry, don't stress.
Y'all, they got us ready to go down that big slide right there. I don't know if y'all can see. I'm scared. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. Cause your girl can't swim. Huh? I was showing them the waterfall. That's a better view. Well, not a waterfall, it's a slide. So wish me luck. I'm gonna see if I can catch somebody going down.
Yeah.
For real, I'm just trying to see an example.
You know, I'm
Right.
have everything on my phone.
Oh yeah. There goes somebody going down. Okay. I probably can't take my phone, right? I probably shouldn't take my phone, right? I definitely chickened out of that water slide because I can't swim, so. I got in the water though. And I hurt my toe. So. Me and Johnny checking out.
Yeah,
Don't tell nobody though.
we can't swim, so we sat out.
He's like,
I
no.
saw a little boy go and I was like,
Ooh, you gonna show me out like that? Waiting on everybody else to get out, and then we're gonna keep going up the trail, right?
I cannot wait to eat.
Nah, I'm hungry too. We don't. It's only what, like 3, 4. It's probably like 3. We don't get to get food until later tonight, y'all. Let me see. Show them. Oh, it's 4 on the dot. Show them.
Let me clear my mom's shit.
It's 4 o'clock, y'all. We got until 7-ish to eat something. What?
Y'all next.
No. Didn't we already say that? Huh? Well, that's why you had no problem. But yeah, we ready to keep going upstream, so.
But wait up your phone.
All right. Here we go. Nah, I'm not gonna lie, this is good for my soul. For real. Y'all don't know I like being outside. In the nature, yeah. You gonna steal what? Huh? No, you're not. This is slippery. It's the mud. Oop. Living my life like it's golden. Oh, I gotta use that. You good, Johnny? Yeah. Okay. Wow. Now I hope you fall again.
Karma for you.
Why would you do something like
I was saying I didn't see you fall.
No, that's what he's saying.
that? He didn't see it.
Oh, that was okay, Spirit? Wow. I hope you fall too. No, I'm joking.
Oh, this is yes.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I'm finna float my butt away.
Third. I'm glad I ain't taking them
Yo, so far I didn't get not one mosquito bite.
yellow
That Osprey worked.
Well, look like I shit myself, man.
Hey, y'all, yeah.
Oh.
Y'all not going down this one.
Who said y'all?
What?
Down over here, you guys. Any of your stuff you need to set down, set it on over here.
This another slide?
Raspberry.
Okay. You want to just sit on the edge with the water? Look at our stuff right here, though. Okay. Y'all, it's fish right here. I'm low-key scared. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. I don't want to wear this. This is uncomfortable, y'all. I want to hold a fish. They're right here at my feet.
They're swimming past your foot.
Check them out. Hi. I don't have any food, y'all.
Ricky, I got you. If you let go. You can let go. I got you.
They're swimming right by me, like.
I got you.
We're gonna get turned on these sides around.
I like this side. It's broke.
One of them broke.
That's Chris.
Chris got one.
I couldn't pass this up. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty.
Oh my God. That is a trip. And they said Nima on the beach.
That's cute. I don't know if y'all can see. I forgot about y'all. I forgot all about y'all. Yeah. We finished from the rainforest. Now we're ready to go back to the Airbnb and get changed and go to dinner.